Now, Storm Tracker 12 weather with Chief Meteorologist Matt Hoffman.
Taking a live look from Klamath Falls, where a thunderstorm is rolling into the Merrill area, also towards Tule Lake. Check out some of the lightning we're seeing from our Sky Lakes weather cam. And this storm not only seeing a lot of lightning with it, but also capable of some pretty gusty winds and also the potential for some hail as well, along with some very heavy downpours. Let's take a closer look at this storm that we're tracking south of Klamath Falls. We're seeing it now crossing into southern portions of Klamath County. Merrill seeing some of that heavier rain, a lot of lightning with this storm. You can see the purple showing up on radar. That's likely where we're seeing some of the strongest wind gusts, as well as that small hail potential just west of Tule Lake. No severe thunderstorm warning with it just yet, but this is a strong thunderstorm. You don't want to be anywhere outside with this thing rolling through. It should arrive at the Bonanza area. If it holds together, it's moving northeast at about 25 miles per hour at about 11:42 p.m. This is estimates as far as timing is concerned with this storm. And then we have another storm that's popped up that is going to soon be moving into Sprague River. So you folks likely going to hear a lot of thunder and see a lot of lightning, some heavy rain with that storm as well. And there's a few isolated pockets of showers, but I do expect more thunderstorm development for the east side as we head through the overnight hours. But the west side, things will stay quiet as we go through the overnight. Down to 58 degrees in Medford tonight, 56 in Wairika, 53 degrees in Klamath Falls. Eventually the storms will move out as the night goes on. You can see with Stormcast overnight, thunderstorm potential mainly in Klamath and Lake counties. Some of this is going to linger into the early morning hours into Lake County before we see things wind on down. Most of the day tomorrow and most of the region tomorrow, we'll see some very quiet weather, mostly sunny skies, just breezy winds. But a few isolated thunderstorms can't be ruled out into Lake County later in the day tomorrow, mainly in the afternoon. Take a look at your forecast for Wednesday. Not as hot. We'll drop about 10 degrees for highs in the Rogue Valley, up to 89, 83 in Klamath Falls, and 84 in Mount Shasta. Breezy through the afternoon. The Klamath Basin, just that slight chance of a thunderstorm in Lake County in the afternoon tomorrow. But other than that, notice the drop in temperatures, blustery winds, highs in the upper 70s by Friday. And we'll also see a drop in temperatures for the Rogue Valley, much more seasonal to wrap up the work week. And our overnights will be getting much cooler as well. Looking ahead to Father's Day weekend, temperatures very pleasant on Saturday, mostly sunny. We bump up the temperatures just a bit coming up on Sunday. Highs stay in the 60s along the coast in Brookings. Winds will be rather gusty, though, in the days ahead and right through the weekend. Northern California, much quieter weather tomorrow, but we're going to need to watch holdover fires in the days ahead with dry conditions, breezy winds. In the basin, stormy tonight, a slight chance of a thunderstorm in the afternoon tomorrow for parts of the east side. Up in the mountains, mainly quiet weather expected in the days ahead, maybe just a slight chance of a shower on Monday of next week. And then in the Rogue Valley, temperatures, we're going to see a drop as far as the heat's concerned, much more comfortable, highs in the low 80s Friday and Saturday.